Alright guys, it's here. The day has finally come. My purple mattress is arriving. They're pulling in right now with it. In just a minute here, we're going to get set up and take a look at this thing. So the day has finally arrived. My purple mattress came in, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview. I just finished remodeling this bedroom, so everything in here from top to bottom is pretty much brand new. Just give you a quick overview here. And of course, we got the perfect addition to the brand new bedroom, the purple mattress. So I'm going to show you guys the purple mattress. There it is, the purple mattress. Oh, just kidding, it's not. Purple mattress is actually right over here. So, bad news guys. Purple mattress showed up today, and I ordered an adjustable frame, and the frame did not come. So, in the meantime, I'm sleeping on my old mattress topper on the floor, and I was told I have to wait a week for the adjustable base, which was not a purple base, by the way. I ordered it from a different website, and we'll show you guys that and go into a little bit of detail on that when it gets here next week. So, unfortunately, right now I'm stuck on the floor. Also on this video, I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I got with the purple mattress. So, first off, they always include a couple little eye masks, so that's nice. I found them to be a little too tight. I guess I feel like I have a small head, but you know, even for my size head, they seem pretty tight. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna make jokes about that. I also ordered the purple mattress protector, so I'll show you guys that. And we also ordered the purple sheets, so we're going to show you guys that as well. Alright, so here we are. We got the purple mattress protector and the purple sheets, and you know, it's really nice quality packaging. It's actually got magnets here, so it kind of magnetizes the box. Really nice touch. They give you a sample of the purple mattress protector and the competitor sample. Now the difference is, I don't know if the competitor sample is waterproof, but the purple is, you don't know if it's necessarily waterproof, but it's water absorbent on top, and then underneath it's supposed to be mostly waterproof, I think. So maybe it won't cover up big spills, but you know, if you spill something little, your bed should be okay. And also the difference is, I don't know if you can see this, but see how that stretches? And that's very important to the comfort of the bed. Whereas the competitor sample, when you pull on it, it doesn't go anywhere. So that's the reason I decided to get the purple products along with the mattress, because they say it's very important for the comfort of the mattress to have that stretchiness. So, all right, I also wanted to give you a look at the purple sheets. So it also comes in this nice packaging, and as you can see how much that stretches, just try and pull it out. You know, you can see this material is very stretchy. It's made of bamboo and I believe spandex. It's also somewhat transparent, but I don't think that'll be an issue on the bed. Once again, this material is made special just for the purple bed so that it conforms, when your body sinks into the mattress, into that purple grid, it's not going to give it any resistance. So I decided if I was going to go for purple, I might as well go all out and go for the full experience. So that's what we did. But once that adjustable base gets here, we're going to show you the setup on the purple mattress. So until then, through the magic of YouTube and time-lapse photography, I'm going to snap my fingers and it's going to be a week later. Hey guys, welcome back. So through the magic of the YouTubes and the interwebs, it's been a week, and here we are. I have the adjustable base all set up and ready to go. And, it was no easy task, I can tell you that. They delivered it today, and I had to drag it all the way up the stairs by myself. It was in a pretty big box, and it was pretty heavy. I almost died twice, but here I am. I didn't die. I got it set up, and we're going to go ahead and get this purple mattress unboxed and unrolled and set up for you guys to see. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the purple mattress all set up here, and I've got it on the adjustable base. I will leave a link in the description below for where I got the adjustable base. It was, I believe, Ideal Bed, the 3i model. It wasn't anything fancy. It doesn't have USB charging or anything like that. No major bells or whistles. It has a zero gravity mode. It has a programmable 1 and 2 button memory, and you can raise your head, you can raise your feet. Show you guys that. It's got pretty good range on it. So that's the feet as high as it can go. I'll show you guys, that's about as high as the head can go. It's got a flat mode. I'll show you the zero gravity here. So this is adjusting down to zero gravity. Where it gives you just that slight, like, floating feeling. And this is flat. So not much difference there between the flat and the zero gravity. I'll show you guys that again. This is flat. And that's the zero gravity. And back to flat. But it was a pretty good price. I got it for about $8.50. I did use a 5% off coupon. I'm gonna get the mattress protector and the sheets on, and we're gonna go from there. Alright guys, so here we are. the purple mattress with the purple protector and the purple sheets. I got everything all set up, and my initial thoughts on this bed: shipping was easy, purchasing was easy. Shipping time was pretty fast. I think they got it to me in about a week, maybe a week and a half. The adjustable base, like I said, I did not go through Purple. The ordering of that was easy, and the setup was very easy. It came all ready to go. It was in a box. All I had to do was unfold it, screw the legs on, and plug it in. Shipping time on that, however, did suck, and I don't think that was the fault of the company. I do believe they outsourced it to a second shipping company, and the second shipping company kind of shit the bed on that one. So I ended up getting it a week later than I was supposed to, like I said. So I'm happy with the base, and I think you will be too if you order it. I'm happy with the mattress so far. Everything is super high quality. The sheets are super high quality, very premium. The mattress feels very premium. Like with the purple theme, you feel like royalty. Laying on this bed, you just feel like you're floating, and you just feel, like this is something special. This is unique. I have not slept a full night on it. Like I said, I have done some extensive testing. I have gone to some stores that carry it and tried each version. For me, I'm a combo sleeper, so I sleep pretty much everywhere. I sleep on my back, my side, sometimes my stomach. I sleep in multiple positions throughout the night. I'm kind of one of those toss and turn type people. I also do snore. So, that's part of why I got the adjustable base. I'm hoping that zero gravity or just raising me up a little bit will help to stop that. So those are my initial thoughts. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm probably going to do like maybe a 1 week or a 30-day follow-up, because like I said, I haven't actually slept a full night on the bed yet. So I am going to do that, and I'll probably do another video, give you guys my thoughts. Thank you for watching.